Okay, now let's start the development of our MoviesDB application. So we'll do this in two phases. In the first phase, we'll develop the backend microservice application using Spring Boot. And in the second phase, we'll develop the frontend microservice application using Angular. Now, what are the tools required for developing the backend application? So we need Java version 8. We need IDE. IntelliJ is a good IDE. And we need MongoDB. So I'll provide the links to downloading MongoDB. This is our database that we'll be using for our application. Now, the tools required for the front-end application are we need Node.js and Node Package Manager. We need Angular CLI, and we need Studio Code. Although we can use IntelliJ, somehow Visual Studio Code provides the necessary libraries required for the development of front-end application. So, okay, now let's start the development of our backend application first, and then we'll come to the front-end application. So see you in the next video. Thank you.